And welcome back to my channel. My name is Rina and I'm professional makeup artist. So today I want to show you how to create this kind of pinky, sexy cat eye look. So if you're ready, let us start. So for today's makeup, I'm using Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're starting with pinky peachy eyeshadow. Then I'm using bright pink eyeshadow and put it all over your lid, and remember to blend it really well. Yeah, as always. Then I'm using Morphe and I'm using this dark violet color to make my eyes look bigger and make it brighter. So I put it only in eye corner. Use it under your eye area too, just the same color, and blend it really well. A little bit about blending, you may also use a smaller brush just to blend it more to your inside eye corner. I wanted to add something like sparkles to be more like princess or something like this, so just put it from the inside eye corner to just a little bit to the middle. I forgot to show you, but you may also put some on your eye, and yeah, I'm using just the same palette black eyeshadow to draw something like eyeliner. And after that, I'm using a little bit of pigments from Zodiac palette to make my eyes sparkle more. And finally, we're using E.l.f. Cosmetics liquid eyeliner to fill inside eye and a little bit fill our eyeliner. Thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. I really hope you like it, and if you do, just let me know. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I also have my Instagram page where you can find a lot of stuff. So yeah, see you soon, and remember that you are already beautiful.